Reigniting the American Dream: Unity, Innovation, and Purpose in a Divided Time. The American dream has always symbolized the promise of opportunity, equality, and a better tomorrow. It is the belief that through hard work, determination, and shared purpose, anyone can build a life of meaning and success. Yet today, this dream seems dimmed by deep divisions: political, cultural, and economic. In a time when polarization dominates headlines and trust in institutions erodes, the path forward must be one of unity, innovation, and renewed purpose. Unity: healing the fabric of a fractured nation. America's greatest strength has never been uniformity, but unity amid diversity. However, the increasing fragmentation of our society, fueled by social media echo chambers, partisan rhetoric, and economic disparities, has made it harder to see each other as part of a common story. To reignite the American dream, we must rebuild a culture of empathy and civic engagement. This means listening to those with different perspectives, resisting the temptation to retreat into ideological corners, and recognizing that progress is possible only when we move forward together. Unity does not require us to agree on everything. It demands a shared commitment to the foundational principles of democracy: mutual respect, equal justice, and the belief in a government that serves all its people. Schools, media, and community institutions must play a stronger role in fostering critical thinking and respectful dialogue. By investing in civics education and community-building initiatives, we can help future generations rediscover the power of collective identity. Innovation: driving change through creativity and courage. Innovation is the engine of the American dream. From the Industrial Revolution to Silicon Valley, the U.S. has led the world in reimagining what's possible. But innovation today must be more inclusive and more deeply tied to solving real human problems. As we face challenges like climate change, income inequality, and a transforming job market, our ability to adapt and create will define our future. Reigniting innovation requires bold investments in education, science, and entrepreneurship. It means supporting small businesses, encouraging STEM and creative disciplines, and removing barriers to opportunity, especially for historically underserved communities. It also involves embracing technology responsibly, balancing progress with privacy, ethics, and equity. We must foster a spirit of experimentation not only in industry, but in governance and civic life. New ideas, universal basic income pilots, community-owned energy projects, criminal justice reform models should be welcomed and tested. A culture that prizes progress over perfection will be more resilient and better equipped to keep the American dream alive in a rapidly changing world. Purpose: rediscovering the why behind the dream. Beyond unity and innovation lies a deeper purpose. The American dream has always been more than material success. It's about dignity, belonging, and contributing to something greater than oneself. In recent years, rising rates of loneliness, depression, and disillusionment have revealed a national identity crisis. To heal, we must reclaim a shared sense of purpose. Purpose starts with the stories we tell, about who we are, where we come from, and what we stand for. We need to uplift narratives of hope, resilience, and service. Service, in particular, offers a powerful path forward. National service programs, volunteerism, and community leadership should be reinvigorated as ways for Americans to reconnect with one another and with the ideals that underpin our nation. In a divided time, it's easy to become cynical, but history reminds us that America has weathered immense trials, from civil wars to civil rights, and emerged stronger when it chose unity over division, progress over fear, and hope over despair. Conclusion: reigniting the American dream in Sant. This moment means coming together with courage, compassion, and creativity. It means seeing not just what divides us, but what binds us, a belief in the possibility of a better future. Through unity, innovation, and a renewed sense of purpose, We can rebuild that dream not just for ourselves, but for generations to come.